Today it's pasta, peas, and mushrooms. Now, this very simple, inexpensive dish is tasty and very quick to make. We're going to begin with a carton of white button mushrooms, 1 cup of frozen peas, 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, and the pasta of your choice. I also use a couple of bouillon cubes for the water as per normal, 2 quarts of water. I've chosen linguine noodles instead of spaghetti this time. I have washed and dried my mushrooms, taken the stems out, and then I've chopped those up and I'm using the whole carton. I'm setting those aside so I can begin chopping the garlic. Again, you can use as much garlic as you like. I've used 3 medium-sized cloves of garlic. I'm using 1 cup of frozen peas. And so I'm going to begin by sauteing my 3 tablespoons of butter and then adding the garlic. And so we'll just saute that for a few minutes. And next, I'm going to add my mushrooms to the saute. And finally, once the mushrooms start to soften a bit, I'm going to add the frozen green peas. And again, the goal of this is to just coat everything. I add a 1/2 cup of the pasta water, from the linguine. You can use wine if you like. I just chose pasta water because it does need a little bit more liquid. And then I'm adding Morton's Nature Seasoning Salt. It's a nice salt pepper blend with a few other light spices. I add a little bit more pepper, and then I'm going to drain and add my linguine noodles to sauce. And then I'm going to just combine and coat everything very well. And again, the peas will cook pretty quickly in this between the hot noodles and the sauce. It should be just done. I'm adding Parmesan cheese to the top. This is optional. I just like it. And so you can serve pretty quickly thereafter. And what I like about this meal is that it's a meatless meal. The mushrooms actually are quite filling in the pasta, so you will get full. But it also is a very inexpensive meal, and it's very simple to prepare, perfect for a weeknight. So that's pasta, peas, and mushrooms.